Welcome to lecture on expanding universe and Hubble's law. In this lecture, we will understand how scientists discovered that the universe is not static, but expanding. Can we actually observe the universe expanding? Not directly. We cannot see space stretching. But we infer expansion through light, which carries information across cosmic distances. Expansion does not mean galaxies are flying outward from a central point. Instead, space itself is expanding, increasing distances between galaxies. This is a fundamental shift from classical intuition. A useful analogy is the balloon model. As the balloon expands, all points move away from each other. Similarly, in the universe, every galaxy sees others moving away, without any center. It is crucial to distinguish between motion and expansion. Motion is movement through space. Expansion is stretching of space itself. Do not confuse these two, they describe entirely different physical processes. The Doppler effect describes how wavelength changes due to relative motion. If a source moves toward us, wavelengths decrease. If it moves away, wavelengths increase. In sound, this effect is familiar. An approaching ambulance sounds higher in pitch. A receding one sounds lower. This happens because waves are compressed or stretched. For light, the same principle applies. Approaching sources show blueshift, shorter wavelengths. Receding sources show redshift, longer wavelengths. Redshift indicates motion away from us. Blueshift indicates motion toward us. These shifts are observed in the spectra of stars and galaxies. Galaxies emit light with characteristic spectral lines. When observed, these lines shift toward longer wavelengths. This shift is called redshift, and it is measurable. Almost all distant galaxies show redshift. Very few show blueshift. Importantly, the farther the galaxy, the greater the redshift. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble measured galaxy distances and their redshifts. He discovered a systematic relationship between them. This was the first strong evidence that the universe is expanding. Hubble's law states, velocity equals Hubble constant times distance. In simple terms, velocity is proportional to distance. Farther galaxies move away faster. This relationship appears as a straight line on a graph. The slope of this line is the Hubble constant. It quantifies the rate of expansion of the universe. This does not mean galaxies are simply moving through space. It means space itself is expanding. As space stretches, light also stretches, producing redshift. The expansion looks the same from every galaxy. There is no unique center. Every observer sees others moving away. Let's connect everything. Doppler effect explains wavelength change. This leads to redshift observations. Hubble's law connects redshift with distance. Conclusion: the universe is expanding.